Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Director Carson. Before I go tell you for the next one, I'm gonna make this video without my blue hat. Well, because the problem is this time I lost my blue hat. I'm sorry, I guess I'll make this video without my blue hat. I'll look around to find my missing blue hat. For the next one, Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 27. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Chez, Amy. Hello, Amy. You're hungry for lunch.
Here.
This is a something fishy sandwich.
So?
It's not what I ordered. And the head is still on it. And it's still alive.
Fish sandwich? That's not what Amy ordered.
Here. You wanted to go?
Oh, Knuckles, Tails, Sticks, and Sonic have you playing with the ball.
Sonic, pass it to here. Coming to you, Sonic.
Bull, Zai, and hit.
Go. Hey, your Met burger looks weird.
It's not a stupid Met burger. I made this myself.
So it's a
So it's
meat
delicious.
Burger. An Amy burger. See, I took the original name and did a clever twist on it using your name.
Yeah, sorry. I thought it was clever, Sonic.
Don't patronize me. Speaking of patronizing, let's go be customers at Met Burger.
Met burger is horrible. The people at
Wow, sounds so the worst of burger ever.
With good service, a pleasant, inviting atmosphere, and lazy turrets? Probably not.
Amy, you don't know anything about running a restaurant. If I let not knowing anything stop me from doing something, I'd never do everything.
What do you mean, Knuckles?
I'm opening a restaurant. Are you guys with me?
Yes. What are we doing?
Not me. I'm not in this Sonic Boom. I'm just making videos.
Spatulas. Good. Very nice. Sticks, that's not a spatula. Lose it.
Sticks, where's your spatula?
Knuckles, your hat is on backwards.
Where'd everyone go?
Knuckles, turn around.
I'm about to teach Dave the intern a lesson he'll never forget.
Every teacher I ever had said that.
Now your head is not on backwards.
And how to feed myself. Up, the false alarm. I do remember.
Welcome to Chez, Amy, where our motto is, at least we know what you ordered.
Grand open.
You win this loud.
Your burger is horrible.
See? People want good service. Dave,
Good restaurant, Amy.
with that.
That voice from the sky is right. Why are we wasting our time here when we could be using a drive-thru?
Because none of you have cars.
Amy, your customer left.
Don't worry, Amy. It's just a stupid gimmick. It'll pass. Yes, it will. Especially when I have my own stupid gimmick. I'm excited to announce that starting today, every customer will receive, Chez, Amy? Magic fun lump!
Magic fun, love.
I'm going to collect all four.
And again. You should move out of the way, Amy.
Day 2 of the Battle of the Buns, and already Met Burger finds itself in a real pickle. Can it catch up? Will Chez Amy meet the challenge? Let us wait and see.
Is this breaking news?
How are you folks doing? Magic fun lump for the kids? They're fun to throw.
Hey kid, don't hit that raider.
Chez Amy is all about service. Friendly, smiling, happy
Does that Amy call us like that?
You haven't won yet. I shall have my revenge.
No, you won't. Or not.
That memory was delicious.
Burger
My blind creature.
Shoot it in my mouth.
That was a food gun.
Food delivery system that bypasses
Or should I
the
say
mouth
burger
and
gun?
goes directly into the customer's stomachs.
Okay, Amy, you totally lost sight of why you're doing this.
I'm doing this to destroy Dave the intern and his unerring instinct for what the public wants. I don't care what they want. I know what they need. Good service with a warm, friendly smile. Now tell them to get in here. This is nuts.
Nuts. Your employee quit it, Amy. I'm sorry about that.
I like a Mad Burger.
Here.
That's disgusting. Give me a new one.
Sorry, I love
Yeah, you just messed up Dr. Eggman's burger.
Eggman, what do you want?
Revenge, domination, destruction. But first, a sandwich of some sort.
Why don't you just go to stupid Mint Burger like everyone else?
I did, but that simpering jackanapes who worked behind the counter was too busy to serve me, and my blood sugar was too low to concoct an evil plan to destroy it.
Give it a try, Dr. Eggman.
Oh, but that's good. And the service...
Wow, you think it's good.
Giving me your plate was a tad unhygienic, but still I'm impressed.
Playing football again.
Anyone else hungry? Yeah, I'm full.
Not me. I'm going to eat for dinner soon.
Let's have lunch at Chez Amy.
We'll never get past the moat.
And if we do, she'll make us work and yell at us. Okay, we won't go.
I think going to Amy's restaurant is a great idea.
Don't patronize.
You sure, Tails? About a great idea?
That was delicious. Why is this place packed?
Clearly, I don't know how to bring in the customers.
Well, I do. Make me your partner, and I'll fill the place. And together, we'll bring that burger to its knees. Even though it's a building.
Amy said deal.
I don't know how you did it, but you totally turned things around.
It was simple. I blew up Mad Burger last night.
You what?
Look, I'm a villain. I have a pretty limited playbook. That's coming out of your paycheck.
Wait, what?
Oh, look. It's that fellow from Mad Burger. He seems sad.
He lost his restaurant. How homeless.
Transfer of salt in his wound. Go and taunt your vanquished foe. Grind your heel into the carcass of your defeated enemy. Humiliate him and brush away the fragments of his shattered confidence.
I felt bad for him, so I gave him a job.
Okay,
Wait, what?
You have a lot to learn about foe vanquishing and salt wound rubbing.
Here at Chez Amy, we offer service with a smile.
Amy, you sure he could do it?
Thing you do with your mouth, where it turns up at the ends?
Or was he?
Remember, the customer always comes first, so make sure you give them exactly what they want.
Can I go on break now?
First, get me an Amy Royale.
I'm on the break.
Can I get
Well,
the soup is cold and the
Wait, man, that guy didn't warm it up.
Do you have to do that here? Okay, I'll move.
you can't. Don't you see we're cold?
Yeah. Fine, okay. Get me a sandwich.
You don't have to check it out, Dr. Eggman. You could be patient.
That's it. Prepare to be eliminated.
Dr. Eggman thinks that's the final straw.
Annihilation of that
That's not good.
army of robots.
That sounds like a motorcycle.
Like I said, I don't have a lot of plays in the playbook. But if it makes you feel better, I'll just destroy your hat.
Amy, you cannot fight Dr. Eggman. You got away. And you're gonna fight those robots.
Sonic, I need some help at the restaurant.
Amy, we don't want to work for you.
Eggman's robots are attacking and I...
Well, I'm happy to help with that.
It's always Tails, Knuckles, and Sticks. They'll fight back with Sonic and Amy. Well, Amy, your restaurant is destroyed.
From now on...
Now he goes back to his restaurant.
Professionals and do the kicking butt with my friends.
As a thank you for rebuilding Bad Burgers, this is on the house.
Well, I'm not to eat that fish sandwich, and so is you, everyone. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 27, Chez, Amy, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I make some more videos. Before I have to go, if you lost your hat, then that's fine. You can make a video without your hat. Just like me. First time I did. So, goodbye. Oops, sorry.